16 divided by 4 times 16 divided by 4 is equal to what? Okay, so many students while calculating this problem, they simply calculate like this, that 16 divided by 4 means what? 4, and 4 times 4 means what? 16, and 16 divided by 16 means what? 1. So many students calculate in this way and find their answer what? 1. Okay, which is correct according to them. But let me tell you, 1 is not the actual answer for this question, right? 1 is wrong answer. Okay, so what is the actual answer for this question? So first of all, I write same question, which is what? 16 divided by 4, and then 16 divided by 4. Okay, so what is the actual answer for this question? So for this type of question, a rule is followed, and what the rule is? The rule is B O D M A S. Okay, this is the rule. What it means? It means board mass, right? It means board mass. Here B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means what? Subtraction, right? And B means bracket, which we get first number priority for solving question. O means off, which we get second number priority for solving question. D means division, which we get third number priority for solving question, right? M is multiplication, which we get fourth number priority for solving question. So priorities move in this order, right? So if you see in this question, we can see here division sign is given and here bracket sign is given, right? So what should you calculate first, this part or this part? And if you see in this rule, you can see B means bracket, which gets first number priority for solving question, and D means division, which gets third number priority for solving question. So for this question, we should calculate what first? We should calculate bracket part first, because bracket part gets higher priority than what? Division sign, right? So we should calculate this part first, means 16 divided by 4 what? 4. So simply write here 4. And you know that bracket sign means multiplication sign, simply give here multiplication sign, and 4 written, simply write here 4, and 16 divided, simply write 16 divided, right? And in next step, what you can do, what should we calculate, this part or this part? Again, if you see in this rule, you can see here D means division, which gets third number priority for solving question, and M is multiplication, which gets fourth number priority for solving question, right? So in this step, we should calculate what first? We should calculate division part first, right? Because division sign gets higher priority than what's multiplication sign. So we should calculate division part first, means this part first, right? So 16 divided by 4, what we can get? 4. So simply write here 4, and 4 times 4, what we can get? We can get 16. So 16 is the actual answer for this question, right? But many students calculate in this way and find their answer what? 1. Okay, but 1 is not the actual answer for this question, right? To find the actual answer, you should calculate in this way and find your actual answer, which is what? 16. Okay, so 16 is the actual answer for this question. So this is what about today video. It is all about board mass. So meet you in next videos, and many more questions like this I will put from next videos as well. So keep watching. Till then, thank you. Bye.